Hello everyone, my name is Dion there. We're here to showcase our Air Lite Single full arch door today. All right, so we're on our single Air Lite full arch door today. Pretty simple door, obviously. This door comes in different shapes and in single and double door if needed. This is actually our first door that we're actually doing with a removable threshold. So this piece on the bottom screws off from the sides. You can remove it if you like. And the reason why we did that, so you can actually use this on wine cellar doors, interior doors, commercial use if needed, all those things that you want to do to have continuous flooring or ADA approval, whatever you got to do. This door does come in 4 inches. Also, we did this so you can actually use it on interior doors if needed. Pretty simple door. We do have it in different glass types also. Take a look at the variances on the website that we try to stock as much as possible. You can also make this door with single bore on custom orders if you like, or even on special order, you can just specify that you want it single bore. We'll do a single bore if you want to use it for like a bedroom door. Awesome door, and still has a dual pane 5/8 thick glass on this, okay? So we didn't take away the dual pane from the interior on this specific door, just because we want to make it a door, one SKU to use in multiple different places, okay? Let me flip this around and show you guys what the other side looks like. Okay, so we're on the inside part of the door. Notice how skinny the frame is. There's the actual frame of the door. This is the frame of the door. Well, I don't know how to explain that, but that's the frame. That's the frame to the door frame, whatever. Anyways, this is, if you want to compare this to an aluminum or wood door, this is what you're going to see different. On aluminum or wood doors, this will be 4 to 6 inches to hold the glass in, and you won't be able to put as thick of glass in it on those doors also, because it won't be able to hold the weight. But this allows you to get the most amount of glass, period, because it's metal, steel, okay? That's pretty much it. They're greasable hinges. You can use a grease gun to pump some grease into these things if you need it over time if it starts sound like a dungeon door. And remember, you can remove that bottom threshold. And also these mounting tabs you can also take off by just grinding the weld off, and it comes off. So if you want to bolt it through, you can also do that too. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed the Air Lite showcase today. If you guys have any questions, contact us at 844-843-6677, or you can email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com. Thank you guys.